In this video, first I am telling you about some formulas. The first formula, the equation of a line parallel to ax plus by plus c is equals to 0 is ax plus by plus k equal to 0. The equation of a line parallel to ax plus by plus c equal to 0. Parallel lines have the same and x and y quotients. So only differ by constant only, that is ax plus by plus k equal to 0. And the next formula, the equation of a line perpendicular to ax plus by plus c equal to 0 is bx minus ay plus k equal to 0. And the next formula, if the lines a1x plus b1y plus c1 is equals to 0 and a2x plus b2y plus c2 equal to 0 are parallel, then the condition is a1 b2 is equals to a2 b1. And next one, if the lines a1x plus b1y plus c1 equal to 0 and a2x plus b2y plus c2 equal to 0 are perpendicular, then the condition is a1 a2 plus b1 b2 is equal to 0. Most important formulas. First problem, find the equation of the straight line parallel to 2x plus 3y plus 7 equal to 0 passing through the point 5, 4. Now we want to find the equation of the line parallel to this one. What is the equation of the line parallel to ax plus by plus c equal to 0, ax plus by plus k equal to 0. Now what is the equation of the line parallel to 2x plus 3y plus 7 equal to 0, 2x plus 3y plus k equal to 0. Now to find the k value, we are substituting this point 5, 4 in that equation. First we write the given line here. Given line is 2x plus 3y plus 7 equal to 0. Next, what is the equation of the parallel line? Equation of parallel line is, equation of parallel lines means that is taken as 2x plus 3y plus k equal to 0. Now it is enough to find the k value. So how we find that value? Already given that the line passes through the point 5, 4. But this line passes through 5, 4. So we are substituting 5, 4 point in this equation to get the value of k. So but the line passes through 5, 4. Now replacing this point in this equation, that is 2 into 5 plus 3 into 4 plus k equal to 0 means 10 plus 12 plus k equal to 0, that is k plus 22 equal to 0. Therefore the value of k is equals to minus 22. Therefore equation of parallel line is 2x plus 3y minus 22 equal to 0. That's all. This is the answer. Next problem, find the equation of the line perpendicular to the line 5x minus 3y plus 1 equal to 0 and passing through the point minus 4 minus 3. What is the equation of the line perpendicular to ax plus by plus c equal to 0? Bx minus ay plus k equal to 0. So first by applying that formula we can find the perpendicular line. First we take the given line. Given line is 5x minus 3y plus 1 equal to 0. Now equation of perpendicular line is, first I write the formula. What is the equation of the perpendicular line formula? Bx minus ay plus k equal to 0. What are AB values here? A is equals to 5, B is equals to minus 3. Here A is equals to 5 and B is equal to minus 3. Now replacing these two values here, that is minus 3x minus 5y plus k equal to 0. B is equals to minus 3, minus 3x minus A is equals to 5, that is just minus cancellation, 3x plus 5y minus k equal to 0. But this line passes through minus 4, minus 3. Now replacing this point in this equation, therefore 3 into minus 4 plus 5 into minus 3 minus k equal to 0, which is minus 12 minus 15 minus k equal to 0, that is minus 27 minus k equal to 0. Therefore the value of k is equals to minus 27. Therefore equation of line is 3x plus 5y minus k equal to 0 means 3x plus 5y minus of minus plus 27 equal to 0. That's all. This is the answer. Next problem, find the value of k if the lines 6x minus 10y plus 3 is equal to 0 and kx minus 5y plus 8 equal to 0 are parallel. So what is the condition for parallel lines? a1 b2 is equals to a2 b1. a1 is equals to 6, b1 is equals to minus 10, a2 is equals to k, b2 is equal to minus 5. So the parallel condition is a1 b2 is equals to a2 b1. By replacing these values in that formula, we will get the k value. So that is the procedure. So first I write the given lines here. Given lines are, first line is 6x minus 10y plus 3 is equals to 0 and the second line kx minus 5y plus 8 equal to 0. Now we compare these two lines with a1x plus b1y plus c1 equal to 0 and a2x plus b2y plus c2 equal to 0. Now take the values. a1 is equals to 6, b1 is equals to minus 10, c1 is equals to 3 and a2 is equals to k, b2 is equals to minus 5 and c2 is equals to 8. Now what is the condition for parallel lines? Condition for parallel lines is a1 b2 is equals to a2 b1. Now replacing the values in this condition, a1 b2 is equals to a2 b1, that is 6 into minus 5 is equals to k into minus 10, that is minus 30 is equals to minus 10k. Then the value of k is equals to minus 30 by minus 10 is equals to 3. That's all. Next problem, find the value of p if the straight lines 3x plus 7y minus 1 equal to 0 and 7x minus py plus 3 equal to 0 are perpendicular. So first here what is the condition for perpendicular lines? a1 a2 plus b1 b2 is equal to 0. a1 is equal to 3, b1 is equal to 7, a2 is equal to 7, b2 is equal to minus 1. So by applying the condition a1 a2 plus b1 b2 is equal to 0, we will get the value of p. That is the procedure. So first I write the given lines here. Given lines are 3x plus 7y minus 1 equal to 0 and 7x minus py plus 3 is equals to 0. So first we compare these lines with a1x plus b1y plus c1 is equals to 0 and a2x plus b2y plus c2 equal to 0. Then the values are a1 is equals to 3, b1 is equals to 7, c1 is equals to minus 1 and a2 is equal to 7, b2 is equals to minus p, c2 is equal to 3. Next we write the condition for perpendicular lines. What is the condition for perpendicular lines? a1 a2 plus b1 b2 is equal to 0. So condition for perpendicular lines is a1 a2 plus b1 b2 is equal to 0. Now replacing the values, a1 a2 3 into 7 plus b1 b2 7 into minus p is equal to 0, that is 21 minus 7p equal to 0. Then 21 is equal to 7p, therefore the value of p is equals to 3. That's all.